Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a section of a video inside of CapCut. So this is really useful. This is a really useful technique if you're editing something like a podcast or maybe YouTube Shorts and you want to get rid of any dead air, because doing so will help manage your viewer retention by a good margin. So let's say I have this video in my timeline here that I'm going to drag and drop, and this is a dialogue, a conversation. And I want to get rid of some portions in the middle. Usually, when you trim clips, you're usually given the option of shortening them down by trimming the ends or the starts. But the problem is, it's in the middle of the video. So what we want to do is use the split tool. So I'm going to be using the keyboard shortcut Control P. And let's say this is the start of where I want to make my cut right here. So I'm going to press Control B. Then I'm going to move the playhead a bit more to where I want the cut to end. Then I'm going to press Control B again. And then this section here in the middle, I'm just going to highlight by left clicking and then pressing delete. So as you can see, now it was cut out from the entire video. So I'm going to do that again here. Control B, move it forward, Control B, and then delete. So as you can see, I've deleted two sections in the middle of this video. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.